In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp comments for team updates. Collaboration Basics 2026. Let's get started by heading to clickup.com in your browser. This is the home base for everything we'll do today. Once you're there, sign into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email or use a social login. Choose whichever you normally use. The key is to access the same account your team uses, so your updates appear where your teammates expect them. After you log in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Think of this as your personal command center. You might see upcoming tasks, reminders, or recent activity. Don't worry about customizing anything right now. We're here to focus on comments that keep your team aligned. On the left side of the screen, you'll see spaces. Spaces are high-level containers for your work, usually organized by department, project, or client. They help keep things tidy so updates go to the right people without cluttering other projects. Open a list within the relevant space to view its tasks. A list is where related tasks live together, like all tasks for a sprint, a campaign, or a feature. Clicking a list brings up the tasks inside it, so you can see exactly what needs attention and where your updates should go. Inside your list, you'll see your tasks displayed. This is your working view. Scan for the task you want to update, typically the one you're working on or the one that needs a status note. Keeping updates attached to the correct task is what makes them truly useful for the team later. Open the task and click into the comments section. This is where the conversation happens. The comments area is designed for quick, task-specific communication, so teammates can follow progress without digging through emails or chat history. Use the comments section to update your team. Share what changed, what you completed, any blockers you're facing, and what's coming next. Be specific and concise so your teammates can scan and understand your progress at a glance. If you're following a regular cadence, like daily check-ins, use consistent phrasing to make your updates easy to compare over time. Keep your tone clear and professional, and focus on information that helps others make decisions or move work forward. The goal is simple. Keep everyone aligned and reduce back and forth. That's it. You went to ClickUp, signed in, found your space and list, opened your task, and used the comments area to keep your team updated. Build the habit of posting timely, relevant updates in the right task, and your team will always know where things stand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.